Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anastasia and I'm your go-to holistic health and fitness expert. In today's video, I want to speak with you about Mediterranean diet and gluten-free. Why there's so many Americans who is traveling to Europe, to Italy, to Spain, to France, to Portugal. They're obsessed with food. They're obsessed with the option of croissant, bread, and all sorts of poultry and fish, and hence they're so happy because they're not gaining weight, they're shredding their body without any exhaustion, basically without any sort of workouts, which is absolutely big pleasure, and they're getting better inside their bodies, they're getting better body shape, and then, of course, they're satisfying all their cravings. So what is the secret? Is it about this label of Mediterranean diet? If you know me and if you're watching my content, you know that I'm totally the person who is using a least favorite word, a diet, because such a thing does not exist and does not benefit you. You need to accommodate your lifestyle with the biological changes that are happening in your life due to your age, due to your lifestyle, due to your preference, due to your nutrition base. So, what is the secret? If you follow the Mediterranean lifestyle, you do not need any sort of gluten-free. But again, you need to be careful, because if you live in the States, if you live, for example, I could compare in this niche also Emirates, also like kind of Asian countries, which is megapolis, which does not have access to the real food items. What does it mean? It means it does have very poor farming, very poor soil for the veggies and for the fruits to have their basis, and mostly it's an export. So, for example, I've been living in Emirates, and there is the qualities of apples is very poor because it's been traveling so long. It's been traveling from the New Zealand, from Australia, from France, and does not mean that it's fresh, because it's have layers of chemicals. And it's not about that you are eating vegan, eating healthy, but you're eating food items that have been traveling more than you for vacation. So that's why if you travel to Mediterranean for vacation, for the maybe some exchange, for the student exchange, that's why you would experience the benefit for your overall well-being, because you would have access to the real food. And it's not about diet, it's about the access to real food. So there is no such a thing again as a gluten-free, because you have a good source of bread, and basically you have so much of real foods that you do not have a need to eat a bread. For example, you eat fish, you eat meat, they do not use any kind of barbecue sauce, ketchup, etc. There's maximum it's olive oil, salt, pepper, and some extra juicing like lemon juice, rosemary, basic thing, without any sort of over melting and over caramelizing the meat and fish, especially also fish and chips. It's like, disgusting for a chef in Mediterranean says that you will be fry fish, right? So that's why this all small tricks and tips can benefit you and your gut health when you experience the Mediterranean lifestyle. So you go and you eat a lot of fish and meat, the real source, which is like farming, which is in a natural environment, being grown. It's been not grown artificially. You have access to the really good quality of fruits and vegetables, which are seasonal also. It's not a luxury to eat whole year long the strawberries. You need to eat strawberries when there is a season for strawberry. You need to eat peach and nectarine when there is a season for this. It's not about to have a luxury and satisfy your cravings. You need to understand why you have these cravings in the first place, and when you have a satisfying nutrition for yourself, and when you get to know this clear taste of real food, you wouldn't be having a need. You would feel that you cannot eat those artificial, not naturally grown pesticides and chemical food items. So again, you have a real access to fruits and vegetables, you have a real meat and fish in your menu, you drink a lot of good water, a lot of good wine, you have access to the whole grains like lentils are popular, potatoes, vegetables, a lot of vegetables with the fiber, and you have a good quality of eggs and dairy products, which is, there's no such a thing as a vegan, very popular, like for example to compare to LA, to India, to the Emirates, which is my experience to compare, but you have a really good quality again, and you do not have a need to repetitively intake dairy products, because when you have an omelette once upon a time, maybe once a week, twice a week, you do not have a need to have it on a regular basis because it's become really heavy. And when it's sunny weather like today, 33 degree, you wouldn't be able to eat it because it's too heavy on your belly, and then you will have upset stomach, and you would understand your indigestion, which will cause you a mental issue. So this is how it's all interconnected. Imagine your food, your digestion, your gut health, your libido, and your drive for enthusiasm, for energy level, for mood swings. It's all interconnected. So when you choose your lifestyle, to think twice, think 3 times. If you need a help, if you need a guidance, if you want to question this kind of perspective in your life, feel free to send me a message. Feel free to book a free consultation call. I'm not tired to repeat that I offer a free consultation call where we meet over Zoom and discuss where you are right now, how I can help you to navigate you throughout your situation and heal your gut, your mental health, your physical shape, reshape you, restructure, and let you set a free lifestyle where you can eat a lot of ice cream, you can drink champagne, you can eat a real food and enjoy yourself. You do not have a guilty pleasure because it's also sickness. You do not have a frame of being on a diet. You do not have a frame that you are fat, skinny, or etc. because you enjoy every single bite of your meal. You enjoy how you feel inside your body, no matter what is on you. Is it a luxe dress, is it a bikini, is it something oversized, because you know that you at home inside your body, which is mental, physical, and emotional aspect, which is a success of a holistic lifestyle. So make sure to book your free consultation call, pamper yourself, get to know your body more, and enjoy the lives that you have. Enjoy your physical body, your mental body, and your emotional body. This is it for this video. Eat real food. Look again to the holistic lifestyle. Make sure to book a free consultation call to set your life into different direction. And I will see you in the next video.